It's too early for a response, Don, if I'm absolutely honest, because this has come out of nowhere. This speech by Vladimir Putin on Russian media, basically saying that he's launched this special operation in Donbass, calling on Ukrainians to drop their weapons, saying not to resist, essentially, and saying that any responsibility for bloodshed as a result of this, basically war that's been, suggested or declared by President Putin is on the hands of the Ukrainians who resist. Oh, I tell you what, I just heard a big bang right here behind me. I thought we shouldn't have done the live shot here. There are big explosions taking place in Kiev right now. I can't see where they're taking place from this vantage point here on top of the roof of the hotel in central Kiev. And I can't explain what they are, but I heard 4 or 5 explosions a few moments ago. I don't know whether our viewers or whether you in the studio there could hear what I just heard. You could, right. Yeah. So, I don't know what it is, but I will tell you that the United States has warned
Was that another one?
The Ukrainians. Yeah, I think it was, but they're quite distant from where I am now. But I can tell you that the United States has of course warned the Ukrainian authorities that it is possible that there could be strikes, airstrikes, missile attacks, ground attacks as well on various places around the country, including on the capital, Kiev. Now, I don't know whether that's what we're witnessing now, but it's a remarkable coincidence that I'm hearing these explosions in Kiev right now.
Let me jump in and ask you.
Minutes after Vladimir Putin gave that speech.
Yes, minutes after the speech. I just want to, have you heard any explosions, anything similar since you have been in Kyiv?
No, absolutely not. This is the first time. This is the first time that we've heard anything. It's been absolutely silent in this city throughout the course of tonight. And for past several weeks, we've not seen anything at all. In fact, I've never heard anything like this in Kiev for the years that I've been coming here and reporting from here. So this is the first time. But look, it's going to be more than just a coincidence. I can hear rumblings right now.
Matthew, is it safe where you are?
Quite pinpoint. Yeah, I think it's relatively safe at the moment. Look, I've got
There's another one.
I've got a flak jacket right here. Let me just get it on.
So Matthew Chance is in, live for us in Kyiv, Ukraine. Matthew, we're going to stick with you. Matthew is on a roof in central Kyiv, he's telling us, and just for the first time, just moments ago, you witnessed live on this program explosions. Again, he doesn't know exactly what those explosions are, but he says it's the first time that he has heard them since he has been in Kyiv. He is trying to put on a flak jacket now to make sure that he is safe. I think we should stick with this just to see what's happening as he is doing this.
Yeah, I think
and we'll get to our other correspondents in a moment, but this is where it appears there are things going on. Now, the president of Vladimir Putin moments ago saying that he was going to send a special military operation to protect Donbass, and then just minutes after that speech aired on state television, our Matthew Chance is doing a live shot for us here at 10 o'clock Eastern Time, 5 o'clock a.m. in Ukraine. And there are explosions. Again, not exactly sure what they are, but Matthew Chance is getting into place now, and he's live. Matthew, are you back with us? Can you hear us now?
Yeah, I can hear you throughout all of that. And I'm sorry about the
Matthew, just so you know, your flak jacket is covering your microphone. If you can somehow get it out.
Yep, here it is.
There you go. Now, loud and clear, Matthew. Go ahead, please. And please, if you're safe, do you need to put on your headgear, or you're good?
Yeah.
Take your time.
Yeah.
Don't rush.